On this problem, it says to complete the square on the left side of the following equation and balance this by adding the same number to the right side of the equation. And they go ahead and set it up with giving you blanks to add those numbers to both the left and the right hand side. So what we need to do is we need to check to see if the number that's the coefficient of the x squared term, that there's nothing there, or an invisible 1, for example. So in this case, there is no coefficient written of the x squared, so it is a 1. Once we've verified that, we can take the coefficient of the x, which in this case is a 4, divide it by 2, and square it. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4. So that means that this 4, once we take this number, divide it by 2, and square it, that's our number that's going to go in each one of these blanks. So this answer is going to be 4. Again, this only works when the coefficient of the x squared is an invisible 1. If it was not a 1, we would have to do another step first, but that's not applicable to this problem. So I can explain that in a different video. Let me know if you would like to see a question with that example. And if so, let me know which problem you would like to see that on. Thanks for watching.